Hello everyone, welcome to this series on literary terms and theories. And in this video, we are going to discuss Anabasis in drama and fiction. Introduction. Anabasis, derived from the Greek term meaning a going up, refers to a rising action within a narrative that leads to a climax or denouement. This concept is central to the structure of many literary forms, particularly in drama, where the rising action builds tension and leads to the audience toward the critical turning point of the story. In the context of classical and modern literature, Anabasis represents the series of events that propel the protagonist toward their ultimate challenge or resolution. This video explores the role of Anabasis in literature using examples from renowned works to illustrate how this concept is effectively employed. The structure of Anabasis. In literary theory, Anabasis is an essential component of plot structure, often following the exposition and preceding the climax. The rising action is characterized by a series of escalating conflicts or challenges faced by the protagonist, each of which contributes to the building of suspense and emotional intensity. As these events unfold, the stakes for the protagonist typically increase, setting the stage for the climactic movement where the central conflict reaches its peak. For example, in William Shakespeare's Othello, the Anabasis can be observed in the sequence of events that lead Othello to believe in Desdemona's infidelity. The cunning manipulations of Iago, the misrepresentation of the handkerchief, and the growing jealousy within Othello all contribute to the rising action. The tension mounts as Othello becomes increasingly convinced of Desdemona's betrayal, culminating in the tragic climax where he murders her, believing he is enacting justice. Anabasis in literature. While Anabasis is a prominent feature in drama, it also plays a crucial role in other literary forms such as novels and epic poetry. In novels, the rising action is often more prolonged, allowing for a more complex exploration of character development and thematic depth. For instance, in F. Scott Fitzgerald's The Great Gatsby, the Anabasis is seen in the growing relationship between Gatsby and Daisy, the increasing tension between Gatsby and Tom Buchanan, and the build-up of the tragic climax where Gatsby is killed. Each event in the rising action adds layers to the narrative, leading to the climax and ultimately to the denouement, where the consequences of Gatsby's idealism and the corrupt nature of the American dream are fully revealed. In epic poetry, the concept of Anabasis is central to the hero's journey. In Homer's Odyssey, the rising action includes Odysseus' various trials and tribulations as he attempts to return home to Ithaca. Each adventure, from his encounter with the Cyclops to his descent into the underworld, serves as a step in the Anabasis, leading to the climactic moment when Odysseus finally confronts the suitors in his home. The denouement, where peace is restored in Ithaca, completes the narrative arc, demonstrating the importance of Anabasis in epic storytelling. The function of Anabasis in narrative structure. Anabasis serves several key structures in narrative structure. Firstly, it builds suspense and keeps the audience engaged by gradually escalating the conflict. This incremental build-up allows for a deeper emotional connection to the characters and their struggles. Secondly, Anabasis provides a framework for character development. As the protagonist navigates the challenges of the rising action, they are often forced to confront their flaws, fears, and desires, leading to growth or, in some cases, tragic downfall. Moreover, Anabasis is integral to the thematic development of a narrative. The rising action often reflects the central themes of the work, such as jealousy in Othello or pursuit of the American dream in The Great Gatsby. By examining the events of the Anabasis, readers can gain a deeper understanding of the underlying messages and ideas the author seeks to convey. Conclusion: Anabasis, as the rising action in a narrative, is a crucial element of storytelling that guides the reader or audience toward the climax and resolution. Whether in drama, novels, or epic poetry, the concept of Anabasis plays a vital role in shaping the emotional and thematic impact of a work. Through examples such as Othello and Great Gatsby, it is evident that the effective use of Anabasis not only heightens tension and suspense, but also enriches character development and thematic exploration. Understanding the significance of Anabasis allows for a deeper appreciation of the craft of storytelling and the intricate design of narrative structure. So this was the discussion on the term Anabasis in literature. We will meet in the next video and discuss some other topic. Until then, goodbye and thank you.